Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hello and hi, my name is Arnaz. Welcome to my channel, and today I have the tutorial on the classic black smoky eye look. So without further delay, let's dive into the video. I'll start with priming my eyelids to cover hyperpigmentation around my eyes and create a base for the eyeshadow. I'll also set the primer with some loose powder. I'll take the Inglot AMC gel liner in black, and with a pencil brush, I'll apply the gel liner very close to my lash line. I'll cover the lower half of my eyelid with the gel liner, but keeping it just below the crease line. Then with a small circular motion, I'll blend the edges, not going over the eye socket area. I'll also apply the gel liner ever so lightly below my waterline. Next, I'll take the Pixi Tones and Texture palette and take this dark brown shade depth, and with a blending brush, I'll diffuse the edges. Might look a little crazy right now, but trust the process. Next, I'll take the transition shade Crease, and with a fluffy blending brush, I'll blend the eyeshadows towards the brow bone. I'll also simultaneously apply the eyeshadows to my lower lash line and blend it. Next, I'll take some deep black eyeshadow and press it right above the black gel liner. This will intensify the look as well as set the gel liner in place so it doesn't budge all day. With the large blending brush, I'll again blend out the edges with the shade Foxy. Then, with a gel liner brush, I'll again take the Inglot gel liner and draw a thick wing liner. This will make the eye look more dramatic and intense. I'll also draw the inner corner V and apply some gel liner in my waterline. I'll again take the shade Crease and blend the eyeliner for a smooth transition. Next, I'll take some micellar water and with a cotton bud, clean out the edges below the wing liner. It will give a sharp and more defined look. I'll also apply some concealer and set the area with some loose powder. We are almost at the end of the tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll curl my lashes and apply some mascara and finish the look with some lashes. I'll also highlight my inner corner and the brow bone. So here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you would like to see in my channel. Do subscribe to my channel for more in-depth tutorials, and don't forget to hit the like button. And I'll see you all next time.